Hello friends, today I am Vidul Sharma is going to represent PPT on animal husbandry. Let's start our video. First we tell about the content. What is animal husbandry? First, type of animal husbandry. Second, third, dairy farming. Fourth, poultry farming. Fifth, fishing breeding. Sixth, bee farming. What is animal husbandry? The branch of agriculture that deal with the feeding, caring and breeding of domestic animal is called animal husbandry. Husbanding means to use a resource carefully and without waste. Thus, animal farming or animal husbandry require planning for domestic animal shelter, breeding health, disease control, and proper economic utilization. Type of animal husbandry: dairy farming, poultry farming, fish farming, bee farming. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is a class of agriculture for long term production of milk, which is called either on the farm or at the dairy plant, either of which may be called a dairy, or eventual sale of a dairy product. Advantage of dairy farming: since dairy industry is not dependent on rainfall, production is possible even on days when the weather is very dry and hot. The rate of which milk is sold in the market has never gone down. Even when the supply has exceeded demand, it has been noticed that the price has remained the same. Disadvantage of dairy farming: high amount of money involved in growing and maintaining the farm. Many things can go wrong at a time meeting quota standards. Cattle can become ill or diseases spread. Herd required more feed and nutrient than that of a beef herd. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is a form of animal husbandry which raises domesticated birds such as chicken, ducks, turkey, and geese to produce meat or egg for food. It was originated from the agriculture era. Poultry, mostly chicken, are farmed in great number. Advantage of poultry farming: less capital required, no need for a big space, high return in short time period, high maintenance not required, license not compulsory. Disadvantage of poultry farming: most notably, chicken and hens in intensive poultry farming often suffer from different condition and pain. A lot of intensively reared chickens suffer from lameness as a result of fast growth, a result of selective breeding and concentrated feed. Fish breeding. Fish breeding is a popular hobby practiced by aquarists concerned with keeping fish in a home, aquarium, or garden pond. There is also a pisciculture, fish keeping industry as a brand of agriculture. The farmed fish provide high quality proteins for human consumption. Fish breeding can be integrated into the existing farm to create additional income and improve its water management. This farmer can select the fish species with desired characteristics to raise. Disadvantage of fish breeding: keeping fish in a close proximity increase the chance of diseases. Many farmed fishes such as salmon, bass and cod are carnivorous. They require large amount of protein to sustain their fast growth and energy requirement. Bee farming. Bee farming is the maintenance of bee colonies, commonly in man-made hives, by human. Most such bees are honeybees in the genus Apis, but other honey-producing bees such as Melipona stingless bees are also kept. Advantage of bee farming: honey made locally from your own bees. The benefit of honey are many, starting with the fact that it is an excellent natural sweetener full of nutrients. Wax, a product of bees, You can utilize the wax made in your hive for candles, cosmetics, creams, lipstick, and lip balm. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.